our next tree, we're going to be illustrating a tree that looks like it was made out of felt or some piece of fabric. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to use some purple and pink. I'm going to mix it together. I'm going to try just a little different color palette from the traditional green, because I just want to play around. So it's a very simple shape. You know, start with a rectangle. It's going to be a very simple shape for the tree. And then we're going to add some fun embellishments to it. So start with a rectangle and then continue that, you know, by building out another shape below it, a little larger. And fill that in. So you're welcome to try a different color palette, but I just wanted to try the pink and purple. And then one more below that, even bigger. Like this. Fill that in. So I'm going to make these bottom lines a little darker because I want to be able to tell that these are separate shapes, you know, kind of sewn together. So, and I'll show you how to finish off this sketch. And then allow it to dry before you proceed to the next step. Alright, so my sketch is dry. You can either wait for it to dry or use a hair dryer, which I'm a little impatient, so I did use that. And I actually forgot to add a small little trunk at the bottom. I'm going to quickly add that in with this light orange color. And think of it as like a rectangular shape with a rounded bottom. Okay, so while that dries, I can start applying like little seams onto our fabric tree. So I'm using this Posca white pen, and I really like it because it's opaque. And you know, just gotta shake it up and then you'll have some nice opaque lines. Let me just make sure. Sometimes you have to shake it a few times to get it going, to get the ink flowing. So I'm just adding these, I guess they're not dots, not dotted lines, but little lines that go along each of these shapes. And you'll notice that when we finish it, it'll look like it was sewn by hand. So it gives it another handmade type of warm feel. Quilty, like a little tree quilt.